In this video, we'll show you how to search WooCommerce products by a custom field value directly from the admin product listing. First, copy the custom code snippet provided and paste it in your child theme functions.php file, or use a custom code snippets plugin. Here, notice that the meta key mentioned here should be replaced with your actual custom field key. Make sure to save the snippet after making the change. Next, go to your product list and choose a product that already has a value set for this custom field. Make a note of this value, as we will use it in the search field. Now, go to the WooCommerce product listing page. In the search bar, enter the value you noted from the custom field and hit search. Instantly, the product associated with that custom field value appears in the search results. This makes managing your catalog much easier, especially if you have many products in your store. And that's it. Using this snippet, you can quickly locate any product by its custom field value in the WooCommerce admin.